You're sitting in your truck cab at 11 p.m. You're 3 hours from the nearest rest stop, and nature is calling, and it is not being polite about it. If you've ever been in that situation, you already know exactly why a reliable portable toilet is one of the most underrated pieces of truck camping gear you can own. And yet most people either skip it entirely or end up buying the wrong one. Something that leaks, smells, falls apart after 2 trips, or just isn't built with truck campers in mind. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best portable toilets that won't let you down. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 1 is the Eioehtl upgraded 15-inch portable toilet. Let's start with the height, because this is where most camping toilets completely drop the ball. The average portable camping toilet sits around 11 inches, which if you're over 5'5", feels like squatting over a shoebox. The Eiohtl comes in at a full 15 inches, which is actually in the same range as your toilet at home. It holds up to 450 pounds, one of the highest weight capacities in this category, which means it's built for real adults, not just ultralight hikers. The frame is industrial-grade ABS plastic that stays completely rigid when you sit down. No flexing, no wobbling, no that horrible creaking sound that makes you question every life decision you've ever made. One of the features that keeps coming up in reviews is the removable toilet paper holder. It clips right onto the side of the toilet and keeps your TP dry, clean, and within arm's reach. Sounds like a small thing, but when you're camping solo and it's dark outside, not having to dig through a bag for toilet paper is genuinely a quality of life improvement. It detaches in seconds when you're packing up. When you're done, the whole thing folds flat in under 30 seconds and slides into the included waterproof carry bag, clean and odor-free. It slips behind a truck seat, into a toolbox, or under a truck bed organizer without eating up your limited storage space. Coming in at number 2 is the UOPBYEA portable camping toilet. When I say complete, I mean everything is already in the box from day one. No extra shopping, no figuring out which bags are compatible, no wondering if you need gel or not. The UOPBYEA ships with urine-solidifying gel, leak-proof waste bags, a waterproof carry bag, and even a detachable phone shelf. That gel is the part that people can't stop talking about in reviews. It solidifies liquid waste almost instantly on contact, which means no sloshing, no spills when you're moving the bag, and virtually no odor. It's one of those things you don't realize you need until you've dealt with the alternative. The seat on this one is noticeably wider than most competitors. It's an ergonomic cushioned seat specifically designed for adult use, which matters a lot when you're using it in a confined space of a truck cab or a small tent. The adjustable height feature lets you dial in exactly how tall you want it based on your body type or the available space, a thoughtful detail that you won't find on most folding toilets. There's also a detachable toilet paper holder and a side phone shelf, which, look, I know that sounds like a luxury feature, but solo truck campers say having somewhere to set their phone while they have 2 minutes of peace in the middle of nowhere is genuinely appreciated. The phone shelf also doubles as a holder for wipes or a small flashlight. One of the standout practical advantages is that the UOPBYEA is washable and fully reusable. You're not buying a new toilet after every camping season. Just swap in a fresh waste bag each use, wipe the unit down, and it's ready for the next trip. Over time, this actually makes it one of the better long-term value options on this list. Number 3 is the Katy Upgrade XL portable toilet. First thing you'll notice is the seat. While every other folding toilet at this price point gives you cold, hard plastic, the Katy comes with a real leather-padded cushion seat. It's soft, it's skin-friendly, and it makes a genuinely noticeable difference, especially during longer sits or when you're using it multiple times over a multi-day camping trip. The height is 16.1 inches, which is about 40% taller than the average 11-inch camping toilet on the market. If you're tall, if you have bad knees, or if you're a senior, this height difference is not a minor comfort upgrade. It's a game changer. At the right height, your muscles actually relax fully instead of staying tensed up from squatting, which makes the whole experience faster and more comfortable. It holds up to 440 pounds, folds down to just 3.15 inches thick, which is genuinely impressive for a toilet at this height, and packs into a waterproof carry bag for clean storage in your cab. There are 2 side handles built in for easy carrying, a large storage pocket on the side for wipes, phone, or flashlight, and an integrated tissue holder. It works with any standard 6 to 8 gallon garbage bag, nothing proprietary, nothing expensive. This is also a great pick if you're camping with family. The build quality and 440-pound capacity means it works equally well for adults and older kids, and the leather seat is far more inviting for reluctant young campers than a cold bucket. Amazon link is down in the description. Go check it out.
At number 4, we have the Sckee 2026 Upgraded XL Folding Toilet. The headline feature of the 2026 version is the reflective safety strip. If you've ever had to step out of your truck at 11 p.m. on the side of a dark road to use a portable toilet, you know how much visibility matters. That strip might seem like a small detail on paper, but it's the kind of thing that tells you this company was actually listening to their customers, not just slapping a new model year sticker on the box. The height comes in at 16.5 inches, making it the tallest folding toilet on this list, which is a big deal for anyone over 6 feet or dealing with knee and joint issues. The rust-proof metal side handles are a 2026 upgrade over the previous plastic versions, and after a season of truck camping in rain, mud, and humidity, that matters for longevity. There's also a side accessory pocket built directly into the toilet. Holds your phone, a pack of wipes, or a flashlight so you're not fumbling around in the dark. It comes with 12 waste bags and 6 poo gel packets already in the box, supports 440 pounds, and folds completely flat into a carry bag. The Sckee 2026 XL is one of the taller options on this list, which is great for comfort, but means it doesn't fold down quite as thin as the most compact toilets available. It folds flat, but it's a larger flat package. For most truck cabs, it will fit easily behind the seat, but if you're in a sport cab or have very limited behind-the-seat storage, measure your space first. Full Amazon details and current pricing are in the description box below. And rounding out this list at number 5 is another great option, the Sckee Portable Folding Toilet. When folded, this thing measures just 14.1 times 12.6 times 2.7 inches, which is roughly the size of a slim laptop. It is 60% smaller than a standard 5-gallon bucket when folded and weighs only 4.5 pounds. That's the lightest option on this entire list. If you've got a packed crew cab, a compact truck, or you just want something permanently stashed in your door pocket or behind the passenger seat without sacrificing anything else, this is the one. Despite its compact fold-down size, it doesn't compromise on practical features. There's a built-in toilet paper holder right on the unit and a stay-up lid that behaves just like a household toilet lid. It holds itself up while you're using it, which sounds obvious until you realize how many camping toilets make you hold the lid out of the way with one hand. Small detail, but you notice it immediately. The seat opening is 12 inches wide with an elongated design, which is genuinely comfortable for both male and female users, unlike the narrow openings on a lot of budget bucket-style toilets. The ABS plastic construction is stain-resistant and odor-proof. Cleanup takes under 60 seconds, and it comes with waste bags and biogel already in the box. Every single one of these 5 toilets has been vetted through real Amazon reviews and truck camping forum feedback, so whichever one fits your setup, you're making a solid call. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.